We are gonna build a mock website using Claude Code, all right? So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that real quick, real fast, while I'm on the go. But anyone who's building any type of AI automation, AI agents, all of those things, Claude Code is the way to go. The agentic workflow platforms are getting super. You just got to do your homework. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you haven't started, like I started on make.com. I know some people are using NAN and a few other platforms, and those are still valid platforms, but there's this thing called Claude Code that is going to make your life 20 times easier. So as y'all can see, I have cursor pulled up. Now, you can use any type of IDE when it comes to building with Claude Code. You can use Claude Code on a bunch of few different platforms, but personally, I'm going to use Cursor for a few reasons. One is because Cursor obviously has their own agent, which is going to help out with tokens. You don't have to rely on Claude too much when it comes to building. And then also, it's super easy to just see everything together in terms of what you're building, what you got going on, all in one place. You don't have to switch between platforms. So I'm using Cursor for this tutorial. So what am I going to do today? So being that I am in a Starbucks, let's do this. I'm going to walk into a coffee shop and say, hey, you guys have been here for years. I understand you guys are traditional, doing things old school, but let me make a website for you for free, and I'm going to build that for you right now. I'm going to show you it's not even going to take that long. One thing I want to highlight before I actually get started, though, is a lot of people are using different ways to talk to Claude Code. So right now within the terminal, there's no voice function within Claude, but you can still use natural language to build AI automation, meaning there's different ways we can do that. So a lot of people are asking Claude to build, matter of fact, let me come to you guys real quick. A lot of people are asking Claude Code to build like a transcript for them, but if you have a MacBook, all you have to do is use voice control. Voice control is probably going to be the easiest way for you to set that up, where you can actually just talk to Claude Code without any issues, anything like that. So now I'm going to open the terminal. You could do Command J. Now as you can see, the terminal is open. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move myself to the top of the screen. How about that? Let's do that instead. Just so you guys, I don't want you guys to miss anything when it comes to this build. I'm gonna make myself super small, and I'm gonna move myself to the right side. All right, cool. So as you can see, Claude Code is open on my terminal. This is not by default, meaning when you go into the terminal on a regular basis, when you're in Cursor or any IDE, you're gonna have to allow it to open Claude. What I did was prompt it so that Claude could open automatically when I start Cursor, and then I just use that by natural language. So every time I open to build, Claude Code is automatically gonna open, but that's for me because that's how I built it. For you guys, you will have to either prompt it to do that, or you're gonna have to open it up manually when you go into your IDE or whatever you use. I wanna build a website for a local coffee shop in Brooklyn, New York. The coffee shop is called Excellent Coffee. Now they're local, they have a lot of clientele, but their website is not the best. Generate me a plan to make a high-tech, modern-looking website that's super simple, that will be deployed on both the web app on a desktop and also on mobile. The colors are going to be navy blue. I want the website to be easy to click through. Generate me a website that looks amazing, that's modern, that's something that coffee lovers is gonna love. So now what Claude Code is doing is building a plan and is building a website. And this is somebody who has no coding experience, no tech background, just using natural language to do this. Boom. Look what it just did. So the plan is done. Here's a full plan for excellent coffee, right? Remember, I told it, this is excellent coffee. No framework, no build steps, deploy anywhere, fast, clean, maintainable. So the section is gonna have the hero mode, full viewpoint, right? Background, deep navy. The about section is gonna have a menu. It's gonna have location and hours. It's gonna have contact / Instagram, and it's gonna have a footer and logo. Okay, this is a perfect plan. Let's build what the website is gonna look like so that I can see it and I can demo it before you do anything else. I wanna be able to see it and see that it looks appealing and that it makes sense. Build it, again, make it natural, make it modern, make it look like something coffee lovers is gonna love. Also, do remember that this is in Brooklyn, New York, so make sure it has a diverse feel to it. Also, it's open 24/7, and that needs to be highlighted on the website somewhere, that they're a coffee shop that's open 24/7. Anybody could come in to get some coffee or work or order from their mobile. Go ahead and build that, and let's see what you can do. So right now you can see that Claude is building this website. For my YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot more tutorials on LinkedIn and YouTube. And this permission requires approval. So what it's gonna do is put all the information into the folder now. And I'm gonna say, go ahead, yes, don't ask again. Boom. So now the website is completed, and I'm gonna show you guys what the website looks like now. So look at this. Now we have this website. Excellent coffee, Brooklyn's Cup, any hour, specialized coffee, good people, 24 hours, 7 days a week. You see the menu option, you see the find us, you see all of the moving parts here. It says open 24/7, Crown Heights, Brooklyn, free Wi-Fi, night hours welcome, early bird. So this website was just built, and it actually has all this information, right? Born in Brooklyn, built for everyone. Excellent coffee started with one idea. Take a spot where any Brooklynite, the 6 a.m. commuter, the midnight creator, the weekend wanderer could walk in and feel complete at home. No attitude, no dress code, just exceptional coffee and real community. Look at this website. Look at his menu. Espresso, $3.50. I didn't set none of this. I didn't tell it to do anything like that, but if I wanted to, I could be very specific. So it has espresso. Let's go to the brew bar. Let's go to seasonal. Let's go to the bites. What do I have? Avocado toast, butter croissant, breakfast sandwich, granola bowls, right? Overnight oats. Wow, I'm impressed. Whether you're here at 6 a.m. or 3 a.m., we're ready, right? Look at all these images. Say hello. It has an Instagram handle, a made up an Instagram handle. And then it has a place in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, open 24/7, 7 days a week. If I go back to Claude Code, I'll be able to deploy all this, come up with a plan, and then I'll be able to build and sell these AI automations. Again, I don't have no technical background. I've never built a website in my life, but you guys just saw me build a website in a Starbucks, all from natural language. I'm not gonna say it's throwing the software developer out the window, but you damn near don't even need a motherfucker to even do this shit no more. My name is Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this. If you want to learn more, if you don't have the mental capacity to do this, send me an email, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.